All right, keeping on here. We are in Savas Algebra 2, lesson 3.4. Third of the way through after this one. We are supposed to use long division to solve this, so I'm going to put my x plus 2 out. Well, here, let me move this up to have a little more space. These kind of can get long sometimes. X plus 2 divided into, I'm going to put it in the standard form here. We have no x's, so I'm going to leave a spot for them in case I end up with some. So 9, I still have a positive 9, and I still have a negative 6x squared. So, but now it's in the order that we've been doing them, so it doesn't look quite so different. X times what to get a negative 6x squared? Not negative 3x. Whoops. Negative 6x times x is negative 6x squared. And negative 6x times this 2, negative 12x. And we're going to subtract. Now, see, this is a good example of where I've explained on the previous videos how much I prefer to change this to adding the opposites. All those minus signs just have a tendency to make me make mistakes. So negative 6x squared plus this 6x squared gives me nothing, and that's what we're usually after, is eliminating that leading term. And then 0x plus 12x, and the plus 9. So on this problem, we go to the next step. X times what to get the 12x? Hopefully they agree just to 12. Then multiply that 12 times each of these things in our divisor to see how much we've created. 12x times x, 12x, and 12x times the 2 is a 24. Now remember, we're subtracting that whole thing. Again, if it helps to not make mistakes, add the opposites. Leading term cancels like we're always after, and I believe that's a negative 15 for the remainder. Don't forget, we take that remainder up here and we put it over our divisor for our final answer in this form of the question that they're asking. So we ended up with a negative 6x plus 12 minus 15 over the x plus 2. So there's your long division. Hopefully that helps you out. More practice. If you get stuck, down at the bottom, of you an example, help me solve this to try to get a little more help there. Just don't give up. You can figure it out. Bring your questions to class if you have to as well. Good luck.